Uh, is your PC stuck on startup, showing errors, or refusing to boot into Windows completely? Yeah, that can look scary. But most boot problems can actually be fixed without reinstalling Windows. Let's go step by step. First, unplug all external devices like USB drives, printers, or external hard disks. Sometimes the computer tries to boot from the wrong device. Now we need to enter Windows recovery mode, turn the PC on, then hold the power button to force shutdown. Repeat this about 3 times until recovery options appear. Inside recovery mode, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and select Startup Repair. Windows will automatically scan and fix boot problems. If Startup Repair doesn't work, open Startup Settings and boot into Safe Mode. Once inside Safe Mode, uninstall recently installed drivers or updates that may have caused the issue. Next, repair corrupted system files using Command Prompt from Advanced Options. If Windows still won't boot, rebuild the boot files using these commands. If the problem started recently, choose System Restore and go back to a previous working point. As a final option, choose Reset this PC while keeping your files. This reinstalls Windows without deleting personal data, and that's it. One of these steps should get Windows booting again. Save this guide just in case your system ever refuses to start again.